Hi, and today I'm going to be doing a what's in my fridge, and this is what it looks like from there. If I move back and all the way down there, because it's just one big fridge. Right, so I'll take you up to the fridge, that, and on the first top shelf we have, toasties with cheese, burger, some of these cheese snacks, some Aero yogurts, burgers again, the corner yogurts, and what are these called again? Some refrigerators, and some cream soda pop. So that's the top shelf, as you can see. If we move back, underneath we have refrigerators again, some snack boxes at the back, some Ribena, blackcurrant, some ski yogurts, snack boxes again, some more burgers, cause the kids like them, some more ski yogurts, and a 4-pint of milk at the back. Then we go down to the next shelf and we have Kit Kats, clubs, fingers, wagon wheels, and I'll take these away. We have some lemonade and, as you can see, some small boxes of cola, like we always get on the shopping list. In the back we've got some more cream soda, some big cans of pop, and some ice buns under there. Then we'll go down to the next shelf. We have the butter, brown bread, and the white bread's at the back. And you can see some more colas, which I think there's about 4 boxes behind there, but I'm not going to get everything out. We have the margarine, we have some smoothies, some more burgers, and the meats and chocolate whirls. So go down again, and we have ice buns, some chocolate cakes, some Powerade, some more refrigerators, some small cakes, and in here we have some strawberries, some cherries, some more cherries, some more Aero, I think they're the cakes, some more strawberries, and then under there is like biscuits. I can't get it back in. Then we have a bottom drawer. In there is some new snack boxes with the chocolate buttons in, cheese and crackers, which I reckon that'll be probably nice. Some small sausage rolls, thins, some more snack boxes but with Oreos in them. Then some more of these thins, sausage rolls. Move this. We have some of these chicken bites, which is about 6 packs of them. And that's a new one out, that's a lunch street food. I think it's got like crackers and make your own pizza stuff, create your own pizza. Then we have these oats things, pots, the yogurt, and some, what's that one, tuna sweet corn pasta, and there's 2 of them, as you can see, and put there you can see some more yogurts. I'll shut that if I can, and that's what's in the bottom drawer. Then we'll go to on the door, and we have some bottles of water, some Dr. Pepper, some Powerade, what's that thing of the red fruit shoot, strawberry I think it is, flavour, an orange chocolate drink, I've just said that. Then we'll go up and we've got, what's that called again? Let's see what this is called again, Mountain Dew. Yeah, Mountain Dew. 2 4-pints of milk, some leftover chocolate drinks from our last shopping haul. And then we'll go up to here and we've got some of these caramel cake puddings, some cheese, some pickled onions, and some baby. I think they're on the last one anyway. Nobody seems to eat them. And on here we have the beetroot, the pepperoni, some more cheese, and 2 of those, what's these called? Toffee sundaes. And that's what we have in our fridge. So I'll give you a view from here. That's just the alarm going off. And on the door, because I don't think Gemma showed you the full fridge last time she did a one. And this is what the door looks like. So, that's what's in our fridge. Bye.